You gotta drill this out because the bolts don't fit.
Yeah, I don't know what they're thinking. That's exactly what I knew with that tongue.
And you'll have to end up doing the other one too.
Oh yeah, no doubt. No doubt.
That go too.
This is your solenoid wire. Now, I don't know what that goes to.
Well, it's gotta go to something, don't it?
That's got a gasket. This is what I cut off on the other one and wired all those wall sockets for them, up and down buttons. Hang on to that a minute. Get our wall switches mounted.
So what's that hooked to?
That's your interface for your up and down buttons.
Oh,
And
this
then,
little thing here.
and then this hooks to the solenoid.
Yeah, this is what we got rid of
Don't know what this is.
in our last one because we had
Oh,
buttons.
this is for a dash switch, which
We're not doing.
So, now, this has the blue and the black, and this really don't matter except for whether it goes forward or backwards. And I don't see no markings to tell you what color goes where. So I'm gonna look at my picture again. It don't show.
Well, what kind of instructions is that?
It shows the wire, but it does not show. Okay, the red it's saying goes to the red on this solenoid. Then why don't it have an eyelet? Why don't it have an end on it? Red. So I'm just gonna put it on the battery. And then these other two, it don't say. So, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'm gonna stick blue on that one. I'm gonna put black on that one. And then when I go in and out, if it goes backwards, I'll swap them. Okay. And then this bunch of garbage. And if we get tangled up, I'm gonna get it over here on this other side so it don't get caught on nothing. And then this, I think that's really stupid of them to not put an eyelet on this and show that it goes on the red terminal. But that red terminal goes straight to the battery. And since that's bolted on and doesn't got them rubber cups on it, I'm putting it on the battery. Because I can. That little hook. Put it under the washer. Gotta do that black wire. Tighten that yet. Okay, free spool. Okay, now out and in. So in should go this way. It's going backwards. Okay. So, oh well. Okay, so I'm going to
Swap those.
well, if I can get it off. My goodness. Okay. Now, it's going the right way. Now, I gotta try. they paint that red. You
No.
let your winch out. If you see red, you've let it out too far.
Oh, okay.
Means you're in danger of that cable coming loose. My glove is so hot right
I bet they are. You got a long ways to go.
It's chewed.
What's the good thing about some new? No, I didn't buy you no new ones. I sure did. But you got a new pair in the truck.
This thing got hung on. I don't like that. Them cheap Chinese buttons.
Don't get hung up back there.
That's it. Current load on it. Just tighten. Anything going wrong as it coming up, let me know.
Our first test run, I know we got a lot of adjustments and stuff to do, but what's that? It's loose.
That's about like our other one at home.
So
I
is it-
just, you know, an 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch play is fine. Gotta make sure we ain't hitting it because I don't have my stops in yet. And I don't have my steel strapping around this cage. Hope it holds up. Okay. Now, here's the next thing. Trying to see it. Those are not too tight. Those are not too tight. Those are okay. This one, that whole guide rail needs to come in. But my main thing is
I don't know how much further you can go up. That's about, no, down a little bit.
that's good.
Yep. Now we just got to put the stop rails on it, or stop
Put our
things.
stop switches on it, get rid of the loose wire.
We'll just leave this up here because I'm getting all this junk and we're coming down.
We might go down real fast.
All right, we're going down.
Maybe. Hopefully not faster than we want.
of noise. What's that noise?
See, we don't have a stop, so.
I got you. I know. It's down.
Okay.
We're down. Okay, we came down in this because I wanted not to go down the ladder. And this is just what I would call rustic. We've got so much more to do to it, but it works. Yeah, we want to go ahead and get our buttons and stuff on and some metal on the top of it. Then we're going to get our buttons on. And what's those little things, stop things on it that way?
Yeah, the stop switches, so this little handheld thing's just temporary. When the stop switches are on there, when it goes up, as soon as it hits the right level, it just breaks the circuit.